What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make $30 plus per day by doing super easy tasks. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so today's video I'm going to show you a site where you can sign up and make a few extra bucks. You would definitely won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. They are time consuming. So if you're interested in building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out the link in my description below here. But we save that for the end of this video because for now this is a perfect opportunity to get started, make few extra bucks while you build your real online business there. With that being said, let's get started. So the site that we're going to have a look at today is picoworkers.com. Picoworkers, P-I-C-O workers.com. This is how it looks when you arrive to the site, and you can start here by reading and see that employees ask people to help you. Sign up to a website, like a Facebook page, review your website or product, watch your videos, follow you on Instagram, and much more. So you can see that they are really super easy tasks to do. Okay, review and pay workers for every task you are satisfied with and optimize your schedule. That is where you can come in, of course. Now, workers deliver work and get paid. Browse small and ongoing jobs, select jobs you like, finish tasks as required by employer, submit proof, and you earn money. Okay, you get paid immediately after task is reviewed rather than waiting for a month. So that is really nice. So you can see here there is tasks like Facebook like, share on a wall, subscribe to YouTube channels, Reddit, upvote, Instagram follow, Twitter follow, comments in forums and blogs. And there is also some ongoing jobs here. Complex will of course pay you more. Hire an assistant. So you can see here you can start an ongoing job, review applications, and hire workers you like most. Ideally you would hire 1 to 5 people. And here are some featured small jobs. So by just visiting a website one times you get 2 cents. There is another one, YouTube subscribe here, 4 cents, simple sign up, 14 cents, more YouTube subscribe. I'm just going to Fiverr sign up, 14 cents. By creating a Gmail account, I mean, how hard is it to do that? 8 cents. So you can see these are super easy tasks to do. You won't get paid a lot, but I mean, it goes really quick, okay? 10 cents for creating a Gmail account. So you just need time, okay? They are time consuming. Here is the ongoing easy tasks daily, $1 per task. We have $2 for another. Yahoo Answers, 60 cents. Quora posts, review videos, 40 cents per task. Here is a little bit better, virtual assistant needed, hourly rate $2.50, and we have the data analytics, which actually pays $3.25. So these are ongoing tasks, okay? So you do this again and again and again, so it's not only one time. You can have a look at actually workers in real time, so you can see here how much people are actually earning here. Look at this, $13.42. Wow, $51.92 here. Alright, that's nice. $30 here, so you can see they are taking up some tasks here, but the more tasks the more you earn. Pretty simple, okay? So you can see here there are people from all over the world. It is worldwide. This is Sweden. Viggo here, he actually made $10. So every time he completes a task here, you can see it will be renewed. They do renew it every 4 or 5 seconds or something like that. So super nice, very cool here. If you go back here to the main site, This is really nice. They do pay out via PayPal, of course, which is probably the number one and preferred method. We do have Skrill, Payza, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, but I can only guess that we are all interested in PayPal mostly. Now, there is actually a referral program also, which means that you get paid every time you refer people. So if I have a look at this page here, want to get paid percentage from every deposit employees make and from each task members in your downline finish. Post your referral link. Of course, the more you post it, the more possibilities that you will bring new members, of course, and you can earn passive income for life. So how do I earn my commissions? You bring new members and earn when they deposit and when they work. Passive income for life, it's that super easy. Okay, so if I go down a little bit here, you can of course read this at your own pace. How much will I earn? For each deposit employees make, you will be rewarded with 5%. For each task members in your downline finish, you will earn 5%. The more they work, the more you will make, of course, also. So the more, it actually says here, the more people will use Picker Workers, the more you will get paid. Exactly what I said here. So really nice, okay? Definitely worth to sign up. You get actually paid 75 cents for just starting and registering also. So pickerworkers.com, definitely a site to sign up for. One option that you could do, you could sign up for more than just this kind of site. You can actually go to Micro Workers, is a very similar site. I shared this site in the past here, and they do have pretty similar tasks also that you can do. So a good option could be to sign up to 1, 2, 3 of these kind of sites, and so you don't wait on just Pico Workers or Micro Workers only. But keep in mind, as I said, they are time consuming. You won't get rich with this kind of opportunities, but they're still very good to get started with and make a few extra bucks, and very fast also. So I mean, you get paid actually as soon as the task is approved there. So really you don't have to wait 10, 20 or 30 days or something like that. And of course you do it while you build a real online business. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out the link in my description below here. Alright, that's it for today. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels that you will see here at the end screen. Don't leave yet. There is an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine, both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. So subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also, so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.